turn up here. It's always amazing to have an opportunity to learn something new.
Hey, my name is Imtiyaz Ahmad Shaikh. I'm an IIT grad and I'm currently working as Director of Sales Operations at upGrad. I am right now at CGC Landran, Chandigarh group of colleges, and we are launching this faculty enrichment program. The idea is very simple. Is there any way in which we can make our faculties super productive? Can we make them 10 times faster? Right? There are tools out there. There is ChatGPT, there is Copilot, there is Claude, but can they go beyond just being a chat AI to enable all our educators to present complex ideas in the most visual way so that it becomes easy for their learners. So the idea is to make them highly efficient. And who will do it better than upGrad, being one of the largest front face of AI and upskilling?